Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this cover. So it has Phillips heads and then it has flat. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Okay, we're gonna do a drain and refill on the transmission on the 2023 Honda HR-V Sport. Okay, so here's our drain plug, which is a 3/8, and then here's gonna be our fill plug. This is where we're gonna fill up the transmission. So what we wanna do first is we wanna loosen the drain plug first at the 17 millimeter. Okay. I'm gonna not remove it completely. There might be a little bit of fluid that comes out. In this case, it didn't. And let's go ahead and remove the drain plug. It's a 3/8. Okay. Okay, so I'm using a bucket to catch it. It has the liters on it, so I can have an idea how much there was fluid on the transmission. So let's go ahead and remove the plug now. Okay, so after it drained out, we're gonna go ahead and install a new washer. We're gonna install it. Then we're gonna torque it to specs. Okay, so we're gonna torque it to 36 foot-pounds. There we go. Let's go ahead and fill the transmission fluid. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the new fluid. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up until it starts spilling. And then once it starts spilling, we're gonna remove it and then let it spill until it's very slowly. And then that's gonna be our level. All right, as you can see, it's starting to spill, so I'm gonna pump it a little bit more and then remove the fill hose. Okay. So I'm gonna let it spill until it starts spilling very lightly. And then after that, that's gonna be our fill level. All right, so now that's spilling very lightly. That's gonna be our fill. So let's go ahead and tighten this, and then we're gonna torque it to specs. All right, so we're gonna torque this to 32 foot-pounds. Okay, and let's go ahead and clean it.